right. We out here tripping in finesse. It don't make no sense. Out here tripping in finesse. You know it, you know. We out here tripping in finesse. It don't make no sense. Out here tripping in finesse. You know it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm trying to do a different video, like trying to post a lot of video lately. So basically that's what I look like. What the hell? So I'm basically waiting for these edges to dry now. Okay, and remember to subscribe, comment, like, and share this video. We're trying to reach 100k subscribers. I know it's crazy, I know I'm crazy, but that's me. You gotta, reach for the star, and if when you're there, grab the star, whatever. Anyway, so today we're gonna review Kenzie, and I got it in a color purple. Thank you Diva for sending me this wig. So this is like a hand-tied moon pot natural top knot half updo type of wig. Kind of new to me, I'll say, and I'm excited to try it. You can also do like a ponytail, which is kind of exciting. There's okay, I can see. I'm excited to try it on. I really want to see how it looks with the ponytail or without the ponytail. I'm really excited to see how it looks like if you can wear it down. So I'm gonna cut the lace and come back, guys. Okay. Oh, I'm just gonna run my fingers to it for you guys. Now the curl, it's pretty nice. So this is like a yaki texture. It's pretty thick, I'll say, like a light purple, and this side is like a deep purple, kind of dope, as I'll say. Yeah, I feel like this is like a rock star type of hairstyle. But anyway, enough talking. Let me finish with that review, and after that, so I can do that review. But I will cut the lace before I finish with this review, so it's kind of exciting. Make sure you check both review out. Okay, big head friendly, I'm not too sure, and y'all know I cut my hair, so I can't even tell y'all no more if it's big head friendly or small head friendly, because I don't have no hair at all and everything fits. It's amazing. That's so fucking amazing. I can't wait to try some of my old wigs that I was complaining about that was like small head friendly. I can't wait to try them on, because now everything fits. I don't know, because I don't have no hair and I'm enjoying it. I'm not sure if I'm gonna grow my hair. I don't know. This is a phase of my life where I'm enjoying it. I don't know if I'm gonna grow them or not. A lot of people asking me, when you gonna grow your hair, what you gonna do next. I don't know. I'm loving the short hair. I am. We'll see. Okay, so this is the hair, and I like it. I like the curl. I like the texture. There's some shedding somehow, a little bit, not much, but just a little bit. And I feel like the more you finger comb it, the longer it gets, which is a good thing, because I kind of want it to be a little bit longer than that. And I'll zoom out so you can see the ponytail. Type of ponytail. Like, I'll only try it in the ponytail way so far, and I feel like you can do, you can. There's so many cute style with it. You can do it that side. That's cute. Thing's still cute. And you can just leave it like this. I think it's still cute. Just trying different way to style it for you guys. I'm not too sure about that. I don't like this one. But anyway, so far. Alright guys, I put this one down so I can talk to you. Alright, so far this is my favorite style in all of them. Alright, and I got this. I think I said the color that I got this, and this is the model. She's so cute. We're gonna try to let it out to see how it's gonna look. Okay, but before, let me show you the back. This is the back. It's not too long, it's not too short. Side, other side. I mean, it's the same thing anyway, but I'm gonna put it out so you guys can see how it looks like without the ponytail look. Okay, I'm feeling something. Oh, wait. Okay, we have something here. Okay, we have something. Wait, I think I was a little bit too excited. Nope. Okay, wait. I think it's still good. I think I was gonna be too excited. Wait. Okay, you know what? I'll give this wig a 10 because you can. Okay, it's like a two in one type of wig. You know, I feel like I should wear contacts, but lately I've been trying to stay away from contact because I feel like it's just so not good. I'm not too crazy about the ponytail part. I feel like it's a little bit like whatever. Maybe if I basically take my time to fix it. Also guys, this hair was sent by me by divatress.com. I will post the link below. Make sure you check them out. Thank you guys. It's not, maybe if I blow dry it, make it like, because ponytail one look like straight to me, okay, and the curly ponytail I don't like it. I'm not too crazy about it. It's okay. I just say if you're at work, like my other job that I used to have, like I had to put my hair like this to work. If not, and even that I still have to put like a hairnet or some stuff, okay. So basically if you're at work, yes, it will do, but if I'm going out, I will not want my hair to look like this. So let's just say that. But it's still, so I think that's it. Now I'm gonna just let it out because I really don't like the ponytail to finish this video. But I feel like this hair you cannot, the only thing about it, it's not like a middle part, and there's no middle part. The middle part is not even possible. Don't even think about the middle part because you're gonna look wiggy. Do not do that. But it does shed a little bit. I'm still trying to see if I can get less shedding right now. Yeah, it sheds. It's shed. Okay. This, yeah, there's some shedding to it, okay, not crazy, but there's some shedding to this hair. We're gonna just say that. All right guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Like always, remember to subscribe, like, comment, share. Subscribe, like, comment, share, all that good stuff. I love you so damn much. Thank you. Bye guys.